This question asks, what is the in-air output factor? How do you determine it? And what is its relationship with field size? So the in-air output factor is simply the ratio of output in air for a given field to that of a reference field. Again, reference field most of the time is a 10 by 10. So we've just got our output. So I'll put our D divided by D of a reference field size. So simply, that's all it is. Now note, in the total scatter factor, which is SCP equals SC times SP, that factor is SC. So that's what we're talking about, the in-air output factor there. So how do we determine this? First of all, you need an ion chamber. All right, you have to have a buildup cap, because remember, we're doing this in air, first of all, and that's going to provide the max buildup for whatever beam energy you're using. Now, depending on your energy, if you're talking about an 18X, you might need to use like a mini phantom, which is fine. Plenty of those on the market, and it may be a bit more than just a buildup cap. It may be more of a mini phantom there. You need to have fields. So your field size, you want this to vary, right? Because you're going to be using different field sizes in your treatment planning system. However, to determine this, you do want this 1 cm, or I'm going to say 1 cm plus, bigger than your phantom. You don't want it to be less than that. You don't want it to be right snug on the phantom either. And that's to represent the fluence that is going to be coming into the phantom, beginning to interact with that. And then you're also going to want to use a SAD of 100 centimeters. So the relationship with field size is as follows. And just like I normally do, I'm going to draw a graph. I feel like that's the best way to describe it. We've got our SC here on the y-axis, and we've got our field size here on the x-axis. So now I'm going to draw a curve, and that's what the normal relationship will look like. And note, it's important to note that our SC is equal to 1 at our reference field size. So here, if we draw this over, that is equal to 1. So that is the air output factor. So if you have any questions, please comment below. Happy to help where I can. Best of luck studying, and good luck.